there, soap makers. Are you ready to take your melt and pour soap game up to the next level? And stick around because we're talking about the best ingredients for melt and pour soap. First up, some essential oils. The essential oils are going to add scent to your melt and pour soap. They are also going to add therapeutic benefits. You can pick essential oils that uplift your mood, are soothing to the skin, or are really calming. Just pick your favorite and make sure to use the correct dilution rate and go for it. For extra skincare benefits, you can add a little bit of carrier oil to your melt and pour soap bases, but only a really small amount. If you add too much, it's going to affect the consistency of your melt and pour soap. Want your soaps to pop with color? Then you need to add some mica powder to your soaps. You can add mica powders directly to your melted soap base. Mixing it with rubbing alcohol is going to allow it to disperse really quickly into your soap and stir in really easily because mica powders do tend to clump. Let's talk about fun add-ins to your soap. You can add ingredients like oatmeal or sugar to add exfoliating benefits to your melt and pour soap. Clay is another exfoliant you can add, and it also adds a natural color to your soap. Want to get fancy? You can add flowers to your melt and pour soap and they will look beautiful, but keep in mind this will turn your soap brown over time. You can also add fun natural loofahs to your soaps. Finally, let's talk molds. Loaf molds are perfect for creating vertically oriented designs. Multi-cavity molds set soap fast and mean you don't have to cut up your soap bars. Small single cavity molds are great for creating a quick bar of soap as needed. Check out my cheat sheet below for more details and more ideas of ingredients you can add in your melt and pour soaps. Did I miss any of your favorite ingredients? Tell me in the comments below. And stay tuned for more melt and pour soap videos right after this. Happy soap making!